Did you know that simple credit mistakes could have a huge impact on your financial future? Hey, fellow entrepreneur, and welcome back to the Biz Nest Academy. If this is your first time here, I'm Lisa Dudley, and we're about the buzz in the biz. Business credit, finances, personal credit, everything all about getting your business and life right when it comes to finances. Listen, get your pen and paper ready to take notes, and welcome. Remember, maintaining a strong credit score can open doors to better loan terms and lower interest rates. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into some common mistakes. Number one, I said it, late payments that entrepreneurs often make, and talk about why they happen. Missing payment deadlines can often damage your credit. Many new business owners and entrepreneurs are juggling many things and often get so overwhelmed with the chaos that's going with their business that they forget to make payment deadlines. The action that you need to put in place are called reminders. Set your texts, set your calendars, set your alarms, whichever system that you use to keep up with your clients and your productivity and your posting and your content. Make sure to include your payment deadlines when it comes to your credit cards, your lines of credits, or anything that needs to be paid. Set up reminders. Mistake number two, maxing out your credit cards. Using up all of your available credit will increase your utilization and as a result will impact your credit score. Oftentimes, entrepreneurs and small business owners rely solely on their credit cards and they max them out, especially in the early stages when cash flow is limited. And the action plan to prevent this from happening is to learn what business credibility is so you can start building a business profile. That means separating your personal accounts from your business accounts and establishing business credit so you don't have to rely solely on your personal credit cards, increasing and maxing them out. Mistake number three is ignoring credit reports. When you forget or neglect to check your credit reports yearly, this could lead to missed errors or possibly identity theft issues. The action plan to prevent this from happening is to make sure yearly that you get the free copy of your credit report to make sure the issues are consistent. There are no issues actually. That your name's consistent, the information's consistent. And if you are a business owner, you guys, I would recommend that you subscribe to a monitoring company that will monitor your business credit and check that quarterly just to make sure things like consistent information from all of your paperwork for your business is consistent and reporting. There's no identity issues. You need to make sure that whatever your payment history is consistent. It's always good to check to make sure everything is consistent because this can prevent you from getting the funds that you need for your business. Mistake number four, closing old accounts. Big no-no. Closing older accounts can shorten your credit history, which ultimately actually impacts your credit score, meaning it goes down. Action plan to prevent this from happening. Older accounts that are paid off, don't touch. They actually lengthen your credit history, which can improve your credit score over time. Mistake number five is applying for too many credit cards, you guys. Too many inquiries can really impact your credit score. It shows that you are not stable in many ways. The action plan that will prevent that mistake is to plan wisely. Be strategic when applying for money, credit cards, loans, credit lines. You guys, listen, if you would like to get on a free strategy call with me to find out how we could work together, not only securing you business funding, but to build your business credibility, as well as to polish up that personal credit, that 850, let's do it. Let's get on the phone and talk about it. Because when you win, I win, and we win together. And guys, I have some freebies in the description that's going to help you as a newbie entrepreneur, even if you've been in business for a while. A step-by-step checklist that's going to help you build business credit, and it's going to give you all of the tools necessary to help you. Listen, you guys, until next time, I love you, and be great.